take a look at this. And now, take a look at this. Which one do you think is AI, and which one looks completely realistic? Honestly, it's getting harder to tell these days. But hold on for a second, because both of these were created from the same platforms I'm about to show you today. And right now, these tools are seriously blowing up the AI charts. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Spark, and if you're new here, this is where we explore some of the best AI tools for video generation, image creation, uncensored content, and other powerful AI discoveries you probably haven't seen yet. The tools I'm about to mention have been tested and trusted, and the results coming out of them are actually insane. And the best part? I'll also be showing you exactly how to use these tools completely for free. So do well to subscribe, because I'm constantly searching for the newest and most powerful AI tools so you don't have to. Stick around till the end because you definitely don't want to miss this. Now let's get straight into it.
These AI tools are easy to use. You just need to pay close attention while I explain how they can be used to create free image and video generations. First of all, we click on Try Qwen Studio, which is at the top right corner of the screen. The interface is pretty simple and easy to use. On the left, there are options like History, New Chat, Coder, and more. First off, we are going to type a simple prompt. A man holding flowers next to a bed filled with rose petals. Then we click on the arrow icon to generate. The generation doesn't waste any time. As we can see, a wonderful result. After this, we are going to test it with another tool and find out which one is better. Now let's try turning it into a video, shall we? We tap on Create Video and add an additional prompt. A woman walks up to him and collects the flowers. We give it a little time. And there we have it. Not gonna lie, this looks super realistic. This is Qwen AI, in case you were wondering. Moving on to the next tool, we have Opal. Links to these tools will be in the description below. Unlike the previous tool we talked about, this one looks a bit more professional, but it's all right. It's easier to use than you think. First, we log in using Google. Then we find Generate and type a prompt. We are going to use the same prompt from the other tool. A man standing with flowers close to a bed filled with rose petals. We click on Preview and wait a few seconds. The result looks really nice. Now, to create a video, we click on Generate again. We head over to select a model tool. We are going to pick VEO since it offers free unlimited video generation. We refresh the preview and provide the image we already created. Then we type a simple prompt about a woman receiving the flowers and click Generate. The generation is complete. Shall we take a look at it?
I prepared this for you, my love.
Oh, you are too sweet. It's beautiful.
Well, this is good, very good, especially coming from a free AI tool. Let's compare both results.
I prepared this for you, my love.
Oh, you are too sweet. It's beautiful.
Tell me in the comments which one looks better. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We go through a lot trying to bring you free and unlimited image and video generation tools. Also, check out the other videos I've made on more free AI tools. Thanks for watching.